this is that combo where you'll get 12-piece fried chicken for just 100 rupees note. So you can see a fried chicken, fresh fried chicken, sizzling in oil.
I invested around 15 lakhs.
And you're easily able to earn 3 to 3.5 lakhs.
Yeah.
With 20 lakh investment, what and all they have provided? Can you please tell me?
In 20 lakhs, we get full furnished, full table, chair, interior, AC, full kitchen equipment, TV, monitor,
Everything.
software, everything.
Trained staffs.
Train staff also.
How many wives, sir?
4.
Complete 50,000 rupees will be as return by just investing 5 lakh. Hey guys, so right now I am in Kerala, Thrissur, and I have come to inform you how easily you can earn profit. So basically, I am in a brand called Coco Koopa's kitchen right now. So this is the kitchen which earns or helps you earn 3 to 3.5 lakhs just in 1 month. And also, this is a franchisee that costs you only 15 lakhs. So this is the Shobha City Mall franchisee, and here we have our owner. This franchisee is earning around 2 to 3.5 lakhs a month. Let's go check with the investor, the franchisee owner. So this is the ambience. It has around like 30 seats. So easily like 30 customers can come at a time and sit here peacefully. In entire India, this was the only brand that sold 12 pieces of fried chicken for just 100 rupees. And they did this offer for 1.5 months. They made a great record. That is nothing but they ended up selling 15,000 kilos. And you guys know, like for 100 rupees, when you're getting like well big and thick fried chicken, definitely people will go mad. Sir, you're the franchisee owner of this branch. Yes. How many kilos of chicken you sold during the offer period?
Around 200 to 250 kgs daily.
Daily you sold. All the time tables were full, huh?
Yeah.
Were your customers happy?
Yeah,
They're happy. So right now the offer is not running.
No, the last one.
We can see the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. How many staffs you have, sir?
We have 6 staff.
All this is inclusive in the franchisee?
Yeah, it's all included in the 50.
So can you tell me what and all is included in the franchisee, like the table, the setup, this entire equipment, so everything included?
Entire equipments.
So the fryer also. How many fryers you will get?
2 fryers.
And everything is stainless steel equipments, right? How much did you invest?
I invested around 15 lakhs.
And you're easily able to earn 3 to 3.5 lakhs.
Yeah.
So to earn 3 to 3.5 lakhs a month, how many customers are supposed to come on a daily basis?
Daily we need 100 to 120 customers.
With just 100 to 120, you're able to earn so much. Can you tell me about the location of this franchisee?
It's located in Shobha City Mall. Thrissur.
Okay, sure. What is the rent of the branch, sir?
It's 1 lakh.
1 lakh. And you have 6 staffs, right? So what is the salary of the staff? Like total salary, how much are you paying monthly?
1 lakh.
Apart from that is all material expenses. So you did an offer and you were able to cook all 200 to 250 kgs throughout the day in just 2 machines.
Yeah.
So you didn't get any issue with the machine?
No.
So this machine is strong and equipped.
Yes.
So all these equipments which we guys can see, just spin around the camera. So all this entire equipment, staff training, everything is inclusive in this 15 lakhs.
Yeah.
How many customers on an average you can accommodate?
Daily around 170.
So daily 170 customers you could manage the crowd. So in that 170 customers had and went 240 kilos of chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, full batsman. Congrats for your new franchisee once again. Here we can see there is a proper bread toast kind of a grill. There is a proper fridge to store your food, day-to-day refrigerating items, groceries and things like that. The mixing process happens through this equipment. And here we have a fryer table and then again a proper refrigerator. So this is where the chicken is properly stored. So everything is included in this 15 lakhs. It's not just the franchisee cost. Franchisee cost, the royalty, all these equipment. These equipments are stainless steel. They're also giving billing desk. So it's a Pet Puja software running here. Again, we have one more refrigerator here. And this is where your fried chicken is stored to maintain the quality of the meat. And easily 30 customers can sit and enjoy their meal here peacefully. So you guys can see already we have some customers in-house. The time is 4 p.m. and still we have customers. Then imagine what kind of a business they are doing here. Hey guys, so right now we are at the Pudampally branch and me and Shafi, we have been traveling a lot. Here is Shafi. He's all set for the kitchen. And we are done with the Thrissur shoot. How is the Thrissur?
It was very good.
Good. So we done some tasting session there. So we thought of covering even the Pudampally branch because we had come to Kozhikode. You guys can see the ambience and lighting of this branch. It's completely strip light and the branding of Coco Koopa is bright and red and blue. So here we have the franchisee owner. Sir, your name.
Ahmed Niaz.
So what was the investment cost of this branch?
20 lakh.
20 lakh. And how much return are you able to take on an average per month?
2.5, 3 lakh.
And you have been a 5 months owner, right?
Yeah, per month.
And how is the public response and taste, sir?
Very
People are very happy.
happy.
Okay. Will you recommend this concept of business to your friends, family to take a franchisee of this Coco Koopa?
Take good.
100%.
100% good.
Because I am from Bangalore and I want to show it to my audience. Bangalore people can invest. No, 100%, no tension.
No tension.
No
100%
tension.
no tension.
Okay. And how is the support from the management, sir? Like with 20 lakh investment, what and all they have provided? Can you please tell me?
Full, all.
Full, all this ambience, the interior, table, chair, tiles, everything.
Everything.
Kitchen equipments completely. So in this atta, we have any extra masala, sir?
27 ingredients.
27 ingredients are there in this atta. So apart from this atta, is there any marination happening in this chicken?
Chili powder.
Chili powder marination.
Chili powder.
The first marination and then again second marination is atta. Okay. ठीक है भाई. अब मसाला डालो. So you can see a fried chicken, fresh fried chicken sizzling in oil. This is that combo where you'll get 12-piece fried chicken for just 100 rupees note. Now we are going to experience the true taste of this. So let's go for this leg piece because I'm a big leg piece fan, and a proper dip in the mayo. As you can see, the hot vapors coming out of the chicken. The chicken is juicy, too good, no complaints at all. No wonder Coco Koopa brand is doing successful. And how many ingredients, sir?
27.
27 ingredients, secret recipe.
Yeah.
So that's what is making this brand apart from other brands like KFC or other the Louisiana chicken. And we have multiple brands now in fried chicken, but this is killing it in terms of taste. And if you guys are interested, we also showed you a 15 lakh investment concept and a 20 lakh investment concept. So if you guys are interested to get this franchisee in Bangalore, I will give you the contact details below here. You guys can see the contact details here. You can call them and get to know more details. And if I have missed out any information, drop your comments and let me know what it is. I will reply every single comment and help you guys. So they have another investment opportunity called FICO. That is nothing but franchisee invested and company operated. Here you don't have to be a part of the management or take care of this entire franchisee. The company will take care of this entire franchisee, but you will be an investor wherein you will invest minimum of 5 lakh, and for 5 lakh rupees you will get per month 50,000 rupees return. Complete 50,000 rupees will be as return by just investing 5 lakh, and this 50,000 will be given for next 24 months. So technically you will be getting in return 12 lakhs. So assuming you give 5 lakh today, for next 24 months they will pay you 50,000. So 50 into 24 is 12 lakhs. So you will get 12 lakhs, and after 24 months, what is the profit of that franchisee? The profit percentage of your investment will be given. So you also invested 5 lakhs, you will get 12 lakhs in 50,000 installment for next 24 months, and also after that you will get even your profit percent. Isn't this a great deal? So make sure you even check this FICO mode of this investment and also the franchisee investment. You will earn a lot of money. Right now I am in Coco Koopa's Kadirur's franchisee, and I have come here to meet one of the franchisee owner of this particular shop. So I have covered like 4 shops and taken different testimonies of different franchisee owners, and here we have the Kadirur's franchisee owner. Sir, your name?
Nawab.
How old is this franchisee?
3 months.
How is your business?
Yeah, it's
Good business. Mashallah, we can tell.
Yeah, mashallah.
Okay. And what is their investment, sir?
we invested 20 lakhs.
And what is your return per month profit only? I need only profit after salary expense, rent, all expenses. Now you're taking home this much profit. What is that profit amount?
We got 1.5 to 2 lakhs.
Since this 3 months, in the average of 1.5 to 2 lakhs,
yes.
You have got. Oh, that's a very good profit.
We are 5 partners here.
Okay. So all are able to get their right proportion of cut.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything. Is it profit? Is it loss?
Everything is equally spread. So see, assuming if you don't have so much money to invest at a time, you guys can see a great example here. Multiple friends together, they come up with the investment money and they're earning profit and sharing losses together. Any losses, sir? By
No,
today?
no.
No losses, only
No,
profit.
we are only 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how is the public response?
Good response.
You recently that 100 rupees offer was done.
It's very, very fantastic
offer. Yes.
Yeah.
Of course. That is why we ended up
so
here.
much crowd here.
Too much crowd. Sir, what and all is inclusive in this 20 lakh franchisee cost?
In 20 lakhs, we get full furnished, full table, chair, interior, AC, full kitchen equipment.
Full kitchen equipment.
Yeah.
The TV behind, sir?
Yeah, TV, monitor,
Everything.
software, everything.
Trained staffs.
Train staff also.
If you give 20 lakhs, Coco Koopa will give you full business.
Yeah, full
You
business.
just have to go open the shop,
Yeah.
start business.
Yes.
Different businesses had different models. So one was 15 lakh investment, the other this is 20 lakh investment. The thing you have to listen is, you give money, then once the store is ready, directly go open the shop, start your business.
Yes.
So A to Z, everything interior, they took care.
Yeah.
So you don't have to come and check tile work is done properly, AC work is done,
no
all.
need.
Everything they took
Yeah.
care. So this is the food in Kadirur branch. We ordered some sandwiches, Zinger burger and the French fries. So we are going to taste it. The fries quality is good. They are using the 6mm fries, completely good quality, and the food is also budget friendly. Let's go for their Zinger burger. The chicken is juicy and see the quantity. With serving this in such a budget friendly price, in spite of selling in budget friendly prices, they're earning profit. So make sure you check out their franchisee deals and earn money. Whatever you guys can see in this shop, apart from us humans, everything is there in this 20 lakh. What about marketing, sir? Because marketing is important.
Marketing also they do.
All social media marketing.
Yeah, all social media, advertisement, collaboration, full. They,
Bloggers collaboration,
yeah, full.
creators, everything they did.
Yeah, everything.
Even that last campaign, 100 rupees campaign. how was it?
Yes, full support from the company.
Okay. In 20 lakhs, they're giving marketing, they're giving equipments, interiors. They're you're single, sir?
No, I am married.
Oh. So even for single franchisee owners, they're providing even wedding expenses, wives,
Yeah, full wedding expenses.
full wedding expenses. So
wife also.
up to how many wives, sir?
4.
Okay, so Coco Koopa is doing too much social service also. I'm just joking, guys. Nothing such. All franchisee related, anything you ask, full setup of the business, they will help you. In 3 months, you're a very happy client.
Yeah, very happy.
So you're recommending your friends, family, me also.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
As a owner, what is your task?
Just manage the shop. Or if we are not here, it's not a problem.
Not a problem.
Not a problem.
Swiggy, Zomato support
Support.
is there.
Yeah.
So nothing to worry. Just come as a owner, count cash,
Yeah.
see business sales,
Yeah.
go home.
Yeah.
So money will do everything. If you have money, you can make more money. Me being a Malayali, I'll ask one final question to him. കച്ചവടം എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
കച്ചവടം അടിപൊളി.
Okay, got it. See you guys in my next vlog. Keep supporting and following, and I'll help you guys save and earn more money. Bye.